Hello, my name is Daniel from Career Point Solutions. I'm going to take you through this training, the Job Seekers Toolkit. And in this training, we are going to learn 1, how to make a job search plan, 2, where to search for the jobs, and 3, how to apply for a job right. Because this is where most people make the mistake. They came and asked me, how come I'm applying for so many jobs and I'm not being invited for an interview? I'll just show you right how to apply for the job and make sure that you're invited for that interview. So stick along for the next about 10 minutes and hope you enjoy it. Let's get right to it. Now, this is what I call a job search plan. It looks very simple. Here we, on one column we have the action or the behavior that you're supposed to be taking, and these are the week of the days. You can record how much action you're taking. Then you will have set yourself some target of which you want to achieve, and comment after you look at the total at the end of the week. So let's get right to it. When you're looking for a job, where do you find this job? So one of the actions that you can say, or the behavior that you want to achieve, is to search for a job, and you need to identify very specifically where are you going to search for the jobs. So basically we have job search sites, we have company sites, not the job site like our own. We have jobs that we post, but we don't have all the jobs. But you might be interested in some specific companies that you want to get jobs there, so you can go to their website and check are there any vacancies. And at the same time, you can go to newspapers, friends and relatives. These are places that you can be able to get some available job vacancies. The next thing, action that we want to take is apply for jobs. Searching for job and applying for job, these are two different actions that you're supposed to be able to monitor. And how can you do that? You can send by email, or sometimes you can be referred to their company's website and you submit your application there. Or you can also do hard copy, which is rarely done nowadays. Now, after we have selected our action, I've just picked 2, you can have more than this. You need to set a target. What do I want to achieve by the end of this week? What do I want to achieve? So this as an example, I've just set the target for this job search. I'm going to spend 10 hours in a week when searching for a job. And when I'm searching for a job, I'm intending in that 1 week I have done 5 applications. So this is my target. As the week goes by, it will be important for you to record how much time have you spent searching for this job. So maybe probably Monday you waked up very psyched, you did 3 hours, Tuesday 1 hour, Wednesday 1 hour, sometimes maybe Saturday, on Sunday you had an activity somewhere you want to go, you didn't do anything. But you can be able to trace that by the end of the week. Actually, you spent, for example, 9 hours searching for a job. How many jobs did you apply? Monday you got one that matched your skills or experience, you applied for one. Another day you didn't get, and at the end of the week you can say, you can monitor and track and say, actually I have applied for 7 jobs. This is important. The next thing is the comment. What can I say? This was my target, 10 hours. I only did 9 hours. Maybe a comment would be an example. Create more time. I will be doing this if I'm employed. After work, 5 to 6 is the time that I'll be using to apply for jobs. For here, we can see we were able actually to surpass our target. Let's say good progress. And this simple plan can really help you be able to monitor how much effort are you doing, not just saying I'm looking for a job. Now the next thing that we need to look at, once I've seen a job that fits me, how do I apply for this job? The first thing for you to be able to apply the job right is to make sure that you match the job description using your cover letter. And when you do that, you're actually showing the employer that you are actually the right candidate. Now you ask, how do I do that? I'll show you an example how a cover letter and the job description can be able to match each other. Now this is a job description and responsibilities of an accountant, and I just took randomly. So accountant job key responsibility: 1, review and establish proper accounting system, support budget and focusing activities, liaising with internal and external auditor. How should your cover letter look like? Somewhere in your cover letter, it should read something like this: I have the ability to review and establish proper accounting system. In my previous employment at ABC, I was involved in liaising with internal and external auditors. Right away, once the employer reads the cover letter, they see that this is a job description. We're looking for someone who can do this, and this is the right candidate because they have the ability to do that. They have previous experience in doing what we are looking for. So this is the magic about it. There is nothing wrong picking words direct from the job description and putting it them in your cover letter if you have the ability to do that. And this is a whole topic by itself which might be covered in our next training. So just to mention this, when you pick one of our professional CV writing services, we will actually send you sample cover letters prepared in your different career fields that will help you be able to come up with your own, because a cover letter needs always to change when you're applying for any job, because no one job description is the same as the other. So it always needs to change, and that is your selling point. And this is how you can put yourself in a position such that the potential employer sees that this is the right candidate that we are looking for. Now, just to finalize this video, I would like to request, if you have not submitted your CV to us for a free review, please fill in the form below and we will review your CV and give you the feedback. And for those who have already submitted their CV and they have not yet taken up the professional CV writing package, please make an effort of doing that, because that is the thing that is going to put you in the right position and in the right way to get yourself in front of our potential employers. And finally, for those people who have written for them a professional CV and they have been making progress, you've been invited for many interviews, you have actually moved jobs, you're doing well in your professional and your career development, please send us your feedback. We would like to get your testimony, because that is the reason why we're here at Career Point. Actually, our mission is to ensure that we make people more employable and increase their earning potential. You give us more energy to do that, to do more training. And if you have any question that you'd like to ask us, please send us an email and we can do a training on the same. Thank you very much and you're welcome.